Yup, that's a portable speaker falling into the pool, but it's totally fine. This is the Xiaomi Sound Party. Powerful sound, stylish design, smart connectivity. Comes with a Type-C cable, a quick start guide, and an integrated hidden handle for easy carrying. It's compact but feels premium. With 50 watts of power, Harman-tuning, and bass boost mode. It lights up your space with 3D ambient glow and lasts up to 26 hours. IP67 water and dust resistant, PD fast charging. Xiaomi Sound Party, foolproof, party ready.